Hey Marty, it's Josh Betzel. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier today, and thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm just going to be briefly showing you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix pretty easily to start bringing in a ton more customers. So first and foremost, I know you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? The whole reason is because I know that most of the time local business owners are just too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. So what I started doing was actually giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. So the main 3 things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations for your website. And then I'm also going to briefly show you a little trick with Google Ads. Before I get into this, I really just want to compliment you guys on your website. I think it's a pretty nice and pretty slick looking website. I like that it's a little bit organized too. You got your home, about, products, projects, estimator, contact. I love that you have an estimator tool. That's pretty cool. You also have some pretty good pictures in there as well. But I did see some things that could be optimized. One of the first things I see is about your content on your page. I believe that you just need more content. Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on the competition. That number of keywords is actually needed. And you're probably wondering, Josh, what the heck is a keyword? Well, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So let's say, for example, somebody's typing into Google fence company. We'll do, so we'll just go ahead and do fence company. Fence company. Looks like you have 1 out of 1. So you only have one word on this whole page about fence company, which is okay. That's part of the reason why I'd like to point this out to you. The reason I chose fence company for the first word is just because that's the first initial keyword that a lot of people type when they're looking for fencing companies in Jacksonville, Florida. All right. Let's do another one. So let's try fencing contractor. Fencing contractor. And you don't have any for fencing contractor either. So the reason I use those couple of keywords is throughout my research and experience, I started to notice that those have the most higher volume and lower KD ratings. By KD, I mean keyword difficulty. So when you go to search engine tools, you can go to SEO Quake, you can go to SEMrush, you can do Ahrefs. All 3 of those are pretty good tools. I will say Ahrefs is the most expensive, so it is the most accurate. I use it a lot. I truly love it. But anyways, you see that the KDs are low and the volume are high. Those are the words that you really want to go after. So just make sure to do your research. In addition, I actually just recently created a Facebook post and Instagram post about on-page and content SEO if you want to go check it out to learn some more. So besides just adding keywords and content to your website, how do you get in one of these 3 top spots at Google? And that is also through backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins from the people wins one of the 3 spots in the on the organic page. Sorry about that. But while you're adding backlinks, it's completely important to realize that not all backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noticing or noting relevancy to your industry, and local websites will definitely work best with that. And the third thing I wanted to go over was citations. And citations is part of the reason how people can rank in this map pack. Because of course we want to be in the top 3. So when people are searching, oh, I'm searching for fence company, Jacksonville, Florida, ads. I don't want to see ads. Oh, Superior Fence Rail, Silverman Fence, best fence in Rolla, Florida. These guys are in the top 3. Let me give them a check out. Oh, Superior Fence and Rail is in the second organically here too, and the top one. All right, they must be pretty good at what they do. Let me go check them out. And I found you on, I believe, the middle of the second page when I clicked on this map pack. Yes, the middle of the second page, which isn't bad at all. Not bad at all. But it's not where we want to be. We really want to be in that top 3 spot, not just organically, but also in the Google map pack. So what is a citation? A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can guarantee amounts of revenue. Citations, you can use honestly anything like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too, Facebook, Instagram, etc. The whole idea behind citations is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than a lot of these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. So once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, you start to outgrow your competitors, all right? And when that happens, here's what you might be looking at. I just put into my SEMrush account one of your competitions, Silverman Fence. So they have 547 organic traffic per month. So that is not paid ads. That is just purely being on the first page of Google, and they're getting 547 people per month to their website through that. And as you can see, they have 2,200 backlinks. All right. Now, I just wanted to show you this because of what you could be doing and where you could be at. Now, let me go to Google Ads, because Google Ads is another thing that I offer. So when running Google Ads, or if you want to run Google Ads yourself, which honestly I'd highly recommend against just because it does get a little tricky sometimes, don't do smart campaigns. Go to the keyword planner and actually really try to, we'll just do no account for now. Actually do your research and find out what keywords could have the highest pay-per-click price for you. So I went ahead and just put some keywords in my notes here just so I can copy and paste. We'll do this, and we'll choose Jacksonville, Florida. Boom. Save, get results. And now we wait. All right, so now that we got some results from the keywords that we provided, we can start picking and choosing. So the average monthly searches you can find here, so you can see that fence company, 10,000, 100,000 people. They're searching for that per month in Google via the region that we selected, okay? Then over here you see the price, top of bid, top of page, high and low. The reason that this is so important is because there's different types of ways you can run your Google Ads for the keywords. You can do broad match, phase match, and exact match. So exact match is, of course, going to be exactly the word. You could do a broad match. So anybody that could type in fence companies that offer gate installation as well into Google. So that would be a broad match because it's a much broader sentence. And of course, there's a phrase match. So a phrase match would be something along the lines of, what problems do fence companies usually have into Google search bar? So when it comes to that phrase match and that broad match, you really have to watch them carefully because you can find yourself wasting a lot of money versus the people that you actually want to visit your website to become potential clients. So to wrap this up, Marty, I really just want to create this video to give you some more knowledge. I also love creating these videos. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help start generating some more leads online. But at the same time, I know you're a busy man, so if you do find yourself wanting to continue scaling, feel free to reach out to me and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach these goals. All right? Well, again, my name is Josh. My number is 904-906-2078. I really hope this helps, and have a great day. You're more than welcome to reach out to me.